Hi guys, Sasika Kyora. So today I got an iPhone 8 Plus. The problem is everything working, home button is working, the power button is working, but volume button is not working. This is a problem. So today I'm going to fix this problem, volume button. So let's see, watch my video how I'm gonna fix this problem, and please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share my video, and I will bring some more videos for you guys. Thank you, watch my video, let's go. We're gonna fix this problem. Oh yeah, so I got, this is a problem. Look at this, the volume flex is broken. So I have to replace this one. So now I'm gonna turn on. Let's see it's working or not. Hopefully it should work. Oh yeah, it's working now. Look at this. Can you see, guys? Yeah. And please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my video, and I will bring some more videos for you guys. Thank you.